Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by entering only essential inputs so you can act immediately. Create an income and expenses table on one sheet. Label headers date, category, amount, type, notes. Enter each income source as a row with net dollar values and each recurring bill as fixed expense rows. Once done, tag variable expenses and assign categories. Make sure to format amount as currency and set the table as an Excel table to enable structured formulas and filters. Now implement formulas that do the heavy lifting. Add a running total column with simple cumulative SUM so you can see cash flow, then use SUMIFs to total each category and each month. Create budget columns for planned vs actual and a percent column showing actual divided by income. Once formulas are live, apply conditional formatting. Highlight negative totals and categories over budget. Make sure to lock ranges with dollar signs and test formulas with sample transactions to confirm accuracy. Complete the workbook by summarizing results on a dashboard. Insert a pivot table or SumProduct summaries for monthly spend, savings rate, and category trends. Add simple charts to visualize progress. Automate imports via Power Query or a macro for bank CSVs and add data validation to prevent bad categories. If things break, check 3 culprits: incorrect ranges, non-numeric amount cells, or missing dollar anchors in formulas. If still off, isolate a sample month and step through formulas to find the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.